while you're grinding at your 9 to 5, cutting coupons and stressing over bills. The wealthy are out there multiplying their fortunes in ways most people never even hear about. Throughout history, the world's richest people have shared common strategies that catapulted them to wealth, strategies often shielded from the public eye. Imagine having the knowledge to build financial security, unlock new opportunities, and achieve the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. I'll uncover the elusive secrets the rich rarely disclose. You'll learn practical steps to avoid financial traps, make smarter investments. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's transform your financial future together. Number 1. The wealthy escape the time for money trap. Why haven't you? You will never become wealthy if your income depends solely on your time. The rich figured this out long ago. They know that time is finite, but money is limitless when it's working for you. Warren Buffett says, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." The poor and middle class hustle for promotions and overtime, while the wealthy build assets that generate income without their direct involvement. That's why a CEO making $10 million a year isn't necessarily working 100 times harder than a regular employee. He's just playing a different game. Stop depending on a single paycheck. Start building income streams that don't rely on your time. Investments, businesses, royalties. Leverage other people's time and systems. The rich build businesses where others do the work while they collect profits. Automate your income. Set up assets like dividend stocks, rental properties, or online businesses that generate cash flow 24/7. Think like an investor, not a worker. Your money should work harder than you do. Every dollar should be an employee. If it's sitting idle, you're losing. Number 2. The wealthy tame their emotions. Money is emotional. Fear makes people hoard cash instead of investing. Greed makes them chase get-rich-quick schemes, and impatience makes them quit before wealth compounds. The rich understand that emotions destroy financial success. They treat money like a tool, not a source of happiness or stress. Morgan Housel says in The Psychology of Money, "Financial success is not about intelligence. It's about how you behave." They let emotions dictate their financial choices, and that's why they stay broke. Meanwhile, the wealthy stay calm, think long-term, and make decisions based on strategy, not feelings. Detach emotions from money. Fear and greed make people poor. Discipline and patience build wealth. A person who earns $50K and invests wisely will always be wealthier than someone who earns $500K but makes emotional, reckless decisions. Number 3. Wealthy play by money rules. The rich follow rules like never spend more than 50% of your income on lifestyle, or invest at least 20% before you even touch your money. Meanwhile, most people earn money and spend first, then wonder why they're stuck living paycheck to paycheck. Take 2 friends. One follows a strict rule of investing 15% of his income every month, no matter what. The other? He saves and invests only when he feels like it. 10 years later, the first friend has a 6-figure portfolio, while the second is still struggling to save. A trader follows the never spend principal rule, meaning he only spends the profits from his investments, never the initial money. This keeps his wealth growing while others drain their accounts. If you don't have money rules, you will always be controlled by money. Set strict financial rules. Decide today, how much will you save? How much will you invest? Stick to it, no excuses. Wealth is built by rules, not feelings. The rich don't make money decisions based on emotion. They follow a strategy. Number 4. The wealthy build power circles. You've heard it before. Your network is your net worth. But here's the harsh truth. Most people surround themselves with the wrong crowd and wonder why they're stuck. The rich deliberately network with other successful people because they know wealth isn't just about money. It's about access to opportunities, insights, and the right mindset. Napoleon Hill wrote in Think and Grow Rich, "Power is acquired through the accumulation of knowledge and the right alliances." Elon Musk. He didn't build Tesla and SpaceX alone. He surrounded himself with brilliant engineers, investors, and visionaries who helped him scale to billions. The rich don't just make friends, they build power circles. Find rooms where you're the least successful. That's where you learn the most. Stay uncomfortable. Network strategically. Join communities, attend events, and connect with people who challenge your thinking. Conversations determine your future. Talk about assets, not drama. Growth, not excuses. Solutions, not problems. Number 5. The wealthy build systems. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you're trapped. The rich don't just work for money. They build businesses and systems that make money for them, even while they sleep. A job gives you a paycheck. A business gives you freedom. The rich know that ownership is power. They own companies, stocks, real estate, and digital assets that generate wealth. Shift from worker to owner. A paycheck stops when you stop working. Ownership creates lasting wealth. Start small, but start now. Whether it's a side hustle, an investment, or a business idea, begin today. A person making $80K from a business that runs without them is far wealthier than someone earning $200K but working 60 hours a week. Money doesn't make you rich. Ownership does. Number 6. The rich invest for freedom, not just retirement. People are brainwashed into thinking saving for retirement is the key to financial security. But the wealthy? They don't just save. They invest aggressively. Why? Because inflation eats away at savings, and a stagnant bank balance won't create real wealth. The average person stashes money into a retirement fund, hoping it will be enough in 30 years. Spoiler alert, it won't be. The rich don't wait decades to enjoy life. Instead, they build cash-flowing assets, businesses, stocks, real estate that generate continuous income, so they never have to retire in the traditional sense. Why wait until you're 65 to enjoy life when you can design a system that funds your lifestyle forever? The goal isn't to save, it's to create financial independence. The rich invest for freedom, not a retirement age. A person with $1 million in a retirement fund is still dependent on slow withdrawals, while someone with $500K in cash-flowing assets has endless passive income. Wealth isn't about how much you save, it's about how much your money works for you. Number 7. The rich know the tax code better than you. While most people fear tax season, the wealthy love it. Why? Because they know the tax laws inside out. They don't evade taxes. They use tax laws to their advantage. The tax code isn't designed to punish the wealthy. It's designed to reward those who understand it. Here's where most people mess up. They don't educate themselves on taxes. The rich don't cheat the system. They learn the system. And you can too. Business owners and investors get massive tax breaks. Employees pay the highest tax rates. The average person complains about taxes while the rich strategize to pay less. Would you rather be the one struggling with tax bills or the one using tax laws to grow wealth? Number 8. The rich use debt to get richer. We were told, stay out of debt. But guess what? The rich love debt. Not the kind of debt that buys cars and gadgets. They use good debt to buy appreciating assets. A millionaire buys a rental property with a $500,000 loan. The rent from tenants pays off the loan while the property increases in value. He gets richer without using his own money. Meanwhile, the average person takes a loan for a $50,000 car that loses value the second they drive it off the lot. Use debt to make money, not to spend money. The rich aren't lucky. They play the game differently. Apply these secrets and you can change your financial future. I believe knowledge is the foundation of success. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who could benefit, and subscribe for more insights. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, take care.